A day. A day.
День.
A week. A week.
Неделя.
Days of the week. Days of the week.
Дни недели.
Weekend.
Выходные.
Workday.
Рабочий день.
The day before yesterday. The day before yesterday.
Позавчера.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Завтра.
The day after tomorrow. The day after tomorrow.
Послезавтра.
Sunday. Sunday.
Воскресенье.
Monday. Monday.
Понедельник.
Tuesday. Tuesday.
Вторник.
Wednesday. Wednesday.
Среда.
Thursday. Thursday.
Четверг.
Friday. Friday.
Пятница.
Saturday. Saturday.
Суббота.
A month. A month.
Месяц.
December. December.
Декабрь.
January. January.
Январь.
February. February.
Февраль.
March. March.
Март.
April. April.
Апрель.
May. May.
Май.
June. June.
Июнь.
July. July.
Июль.
August. August.
Август.
September. September.
Сентябрь.
October. October.
Октябрь.
November. November.
Ноябрь.
Calendar. Calendar.
Календарь.
A night. A night.
Ночь.
A day. A day.
День.
The sky. The sky.
Небо.
The moon. The moon.
Луна.
The sun. The sun.
Сонце.
Light. Light.
Свет.
Moonlight. Moonlight.
Лунный свет.
Sunshine. Sunshine.
Солнечный свет.
Sunrise. Sunrise.
Восход солнца.
Sunset. Sunset.
Закат.
The moon and the stars. The moon and the stars.
Луна и звезды.
A cloud. A cloud.
Облако.
Dark clouds. Dark clouds.
Темные тучи.
Hot water. Hot water.
Горячая вода.
Cold day. Cold day.
Холодный день.
Date. Date.
Дата.
Morning. Morning.
Утро.
Afternoon. Afternoon.
Полдень.
Evening. Evening.
Вечер.
Night. Night.
Ночь.
Prepositions of time. In. On. At. In the morning. In the afternoon. In the evening. In February. In 2022. In the 1990s. On Sunday. On a weekday. On May 5th. On the weekend. On a holiday. On Monday morning. At the weekend. At night. At sunrise. At noon. At 10:30. Come. Come.
Приходить.
Go. Go.
Идти.
Stop. Stop.
Останавливаться.
Go to work. Go to work.
Идти на работу.
To go to bed. To go to bed.
Ложиться спать.
To get up. To get up.
Вставать.
Wake up. Wake up.
Проснуться.
Go for a walk. Go for a walk.
Идти гулять.
Late. Late.
Поздно.
Early morning. Early morning.
Раннее утро.
When. When.
Когда.
Questions.
Answers.
How many days in a week?
There are 7 days in a week.
What are they?
They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
What is the first day of the week?
Monday is the first day of the week.
What day of the week is it?
It is Friday.
What day of the week is it today?
It is Wednesday.
What month are they?
They are January, February, March, April, May, and June.
How many months in a year?
There are 12 months in a year.
What are they?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December.
How many weeks in a month?
There are 4 weeks in a month.
How many days in a month?
There are 30 or 31 days in a month.
What date is it today?
It is the 1st of September.
The sky is very dark at night.
There are gray clouds in the sky. The sky is not blue.
When is the moon in the sky?
The moon is in the sky at night.
It is early morning. It is sunrise.
When does the sun rise? The sun rises in the early morning. When does the sun set? The sun sets in the evening.
Where is he going?
He is going to work.
Wake up. It is time to get up. You are late. Can he get up early?
Yes, he can. It is a work day. He goes to work.
Where is she going?
She is going for a walk. It is getting late.
When do they come?
They come late.
When does he come?
He come late at night. Thank you for watching. We are glad to see you again.